Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Mark and today I'll be drawing the red guard from Squid Games. All you need is a sheet of paper, some markers, and a pencil. You guys are in control of the video, so if I'm going a little bit too fast, just click that pause button, catch up, do what you need to do, and then hit play to continue. As always, if you don't feel like drawing today and you just feel like coloring, go down in the description, click that link, and you can download the free coloring page and just color today. Don't forget to watch the end of the video. That's when I color this drawing in and you get to see how it turns out. It's really cool. You don't want to miss it. Okay, to start off, I'm going to draw a circle and I'm going to just use a circle template. And my circle is going to be about this size over here. And I'm going to try to draw it closer to the top of my page. So I'll draw a ring like this and I'll do a smaller one inside of that. And now if you want to do the square shape or the triangle shape, you can do that right now instead of the circle. It's up to you, whichever guard you want to draw. So once I have this drawn in, I'll draw a curved line just underneath this. So I'll draw like this curved shape like that. And then right in the center, I'll come down and draw a line that goes down like this. So then from there, I'll draw another curve right about here, like this. And then this is going to come up on both sides, like that. So this is going to be the side of the head. And then over here, we can draw a round shape that comes and meets both ends, like that. Okay, now from here, I'm going to draw a line that kind of comes just above here. And the reason I'm doing that is because we'll be able to go down at an angle like this. So I'm going to come up from here, and this will be kind of like the hoodie shape. So this will come up, and then it's going to be narrow here, but then we're going to get wider up here. So this will come up like this, and then we'll come back down like that. This will keep going roughly to about here, and then we can angle this back in like that. I need your help to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Click that subscribe button. That way you get to see all of my videos. I do them every single day, and you don't want to miss out on any single one of them. Now for our body, I'm going to come right from this center point here. We're going to come down like that with two lines. And then I'm going to make sure I have the upper body and the lower body equally divided. Okay, so if my upper body's here, my lower body's going to be about there. So that's going to be good. So right about here, we'll draw a curved shape like that. And then we can go to where this corner is. If you come in a little bit and then draw a line at a slight angle down towards the left, and you can do the same on this side, slightly towards the right. So that'll be the sides of the body. Then we can draw a belt from here. We'll come down like that, and then we'll come across like this. We'll draw a buckle in the center, so this will be wider than this line here. So that'll be a buckle. And then we'll have these two little red shapes from the top of the jacket that comes down to kind of hold this belt in place. Now on the right side, we'll create this little pocket. So I'm going to create this rectangle. So it's going to be a little bit taller than it is wider. That way I can put a line up in here. Awesome, guys. Next thing we can do is we'll draw the arms. So I'm going to come from right about halfway between this line, and I'm going to come over to the left, and I'm going to come and figure out how wide I want this arm, something about this distance like that, and then we'll kind of follow that same curve. Now down here, this will be a curved line, but it's going to be a little bit flatter. And then what we can do here is we'll have this curve shape like this, and then there'll be like a thumb. So we'll do this thumb that's kind of pointing towards the belt, like this U shape. Okay, and then from over here, we can come and kind of meet up over here. So we'll start over here, we'll bend this over, okay, and this will be one of the fingers, and then we'll just draw one, and we'll do one more. And now this one, so you can see how we're going down at an angle. So this one's here, this one's a little bit longer, like lower, and then this one's going to be even lower. But this one will come and meet into the thumb like this. And then we can do the same on the other side. Now we can draw the pants and the shoes. So the pants will come from here, will come out to the left, and then this will kind of like dip in, and then it'll kind of have like a little like ruffle in the pants, and then we'll extend it down, and then this will kind of round like that. Now in the center, we can take these two lines here, and we'll continue those down just a little bit, all right? So we'll come down something like that, and then just below that, we'll draw this line that comes across like this, and then you can kind of do that. Now right over here where the center is, we're going to do this like bend, and we're going to come out to the left like that, and then this one will come out to the right, and then where this ends, we'll kind of round this like that, and this will come up. And the reason we're rounding is because the shoe is going to be here, so the shoe will come down like this, and then we're going to have a line that kind of curves over to right about here. So this will come down, and then you'll have your sole thickness that kind of goes like this, and then this just comes up like that. Okay, and then we can do the same on the other side. And that's all that it takes to draw the red guard from Squid Games. Now I'm going to use a marker, like an ink pen, and I'm going to ink in my lines, and then I'm going to erase the lines that I don't want. Okay guys, I'm just going to go ahead and color this in, and you guys can follow along. Alright guys, there you go. That's how to draw the red guard from Squid Games. If you like the video, please click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. That way we can hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Till tomorrow, see you then.